Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and we're going to go over the process of how you remove this to be able to replace it. It's all LED, and so there's no serviceable lights inside there, and so we're going to go over that process of how you replace this unit. So to start with, this is the tail light. To start with, we are going to pop the trunk, press the little button, and we pop and we raise the trunk. Once we have the trunk raised, there are two knobs here that you just spin off. They spin off and they press on. Okay, and now we'll be able to pull this out of the way, and it's caught under this plastic. It's caught under this plastic, so if you're able to just pull it on the inside of the trunk away. Now that that's been pulled away, we have one bolt here and one bolt here. So there's 3 total bolts to be undone to get this out. So we have a bolt up top here, a bolt here, and a bolt here, or nuts is what I should say. And we have an electric connector to undo. So we have an electric connector up right here, and this is one that if you take a small screwdriver, you can get it in the top to unclip it and then pull it away. Alright, with those 3 nuts loosened, we can now pull the whole headlight assembly out. So you're going to grab your tail light assembly and just pull the whole unit out. And then you would get a new one to replace this, because like I said, it's all LED, no serviceable parts, or no serviceable lights on it. And so then you would take your new one and be able to reinstall it just by lining up the holes. You probably want to make sure you've got your little rubber grommets on here to keep the moisture out of your trunk. Then you would take your new one, or if you found a good used one that's not cracked and broken and the lights still work, you'll just press it back on and then go back in and tighten up those nuts again to install. Alright, we have those tight. Now just snap the electric connector in, and then you would go ahead and work this back into place. Place behind that black plastic there, but you would just take it, press it on, press the other one on. And so that's how you replace your tail light. That includes your brake light and blinker on your 2011 Cadillac STS. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.